Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your smartwatch camera. We'll dive right into setting up your device for remote camera control. This powerful feature allows you to capture photos and videos from a distance, perfect for group shots or unique angles. You'll learn to activate the camera app on your watch, pair it with your phone, and start snapping pictures with ease. Get ready to unlock a new level of photographic convenience right from your wrist. Getting started is straightforward. First, make sure your smartwatch and smartphone are within a range of about 30 feet and connected via Bluetooth. Next, locate and open the dedicated camera remote application on your smartwatch. Your phone will likely prompt you to grant permissions for the watch to access its camera. Once these steps are complete, you should see a live preview of your phone's camera feed directly on your watch display, ready for action. With your setup complete, capturing moments is incredibly simple. To take a photo, just tap the prominent shutter button on your smartwatch screen. Many apps also offer a timer function, allowing you to set a delay of, say, 3 or 10 seconds before the picture is taken, giving you time to pose. You can often switch between still photo and video recording modes directly from your watch interface, providing versatile control over your content creation. Beyond basic capture, many smartwatch camera apps offer advanced controls. You might find options to adjust zoom levels or toggle your phone's flash directly from your wrist. This remote capability is fantastic for discreet photography or for getting unique, hard-to-reach angles. Remember to keep both your smartwatch and smartphone adequately charged, as continuous use of the camera remote can consume battery life. Experiment and have fun exploring the creative possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.